it was a fraction, I decided to do linear combination, right? But I don't have to now, because that's a fraction. So I think that's what you were looking for, right? If I have a fraction, I don't want to plug in a fraction, so I'm going to use linear combination.
So linear combination is substitution and
A linear combination is getting rid of a variable, right? It's getting rid of a variable by adding two linear equations, two variable equations, and getting rid of the variable that you don't want. In this case, I have x, so if I wanted to choose linear combination, I would choose to get rid of what variable? I already have x, so what variable would I get rid of?
y.
No. Sounds logical, but it's not.
X.
I would get rid of x. I already have it, so get rid of it. Because I want to solve for y. Okay? The easy way to do this problem would be, because you solved it as a 2, would be to say, okay, I'm going to use substitution still, but that substitution is one where I'm taking a binomial and plugging it in. This substitution is one where I'm taking a number and plugging it in. So let's put our two equations up. 2x minus y equals 1, and 3x plus 2y equals 12, which implies y equals 2x minus 1, and y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 6. Hey, I have these equations, right? Why throw them away? They might be useful. What else do I have? X equals 2. I know this. I want to find what number? What letter?
Y.
Y. Oh, this is why it's important to have what? Slope-intercept form. Because how is slope-intercept form written? It's written as y equals.
Yes.
What's the easiest equation to put this x value in?
Top one of the upper right.
That's right.
Line.
This is easiest to put into this. Why? See you later, bud. Why is it easiest?
2 times 2
Because if I plug in an x and I solve it, it equals the y. I don't have to move anything. I just plug it in. So y equals 2 times this 2 minus 1. So y equals 4 minus 1. So y equals 3. Wow, that was pretty easy. Now the reason we didn't do it like that on the last one was because it was a fraction, right? So, so my intersection is where? And before you go, I just want to finish this up. So my intersection is where? 2
and 3.
3, right?
Yeah.
All right. I'm not done. Give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay? 2 seconds. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Did you edit it in YouTube on your computer before you put it on it?
So,
Awesome.
So, linear combination. We said, what if it would have came out to be a fraction?
That would suck.
All right, then use linear combination instead.
Okay.
This is linear combination. I know that x equals 2, but I want to find what y is. So I'm going to get rid of the x. How? 3, 2, negative. So I got negative 6x plus 3y equals negative 3 over 6x plus 4y equals 24. Okay? Then add, boom, I get 7y equals 21. Divide, y equals
3.
So that's just a different form of substitution? That's another?
That's
It's-
linear.
It's
It's a
linear
linear,
combination.
yeah.
It's another way to do it. That sometimes is easier. Sometimes substitution is easier.
Yeah.
Sometimes linear combination is easier.
So we just gotta pretty much pick and choose which one we want.
If it comes up to be a fraction, do linear combination.
Okay.
It's much easier. It's easier to do linear combination with fractions than it with anything else. Okay? Go team, go. Thanks. You guys did good. Questions? Time for calc. Sorry for blowing your mind on that, but I think we got it.